welcome to the new R.C. Longan Elementary School building. I am Dr. Nicole Henderson, and I am incredibly proud to be part of this historic moment as we celebrate the opening of the new R.C. Longan Elementary School. The journey to this beautiful new school has truly been a community effort. In 2023, plans move forward for a complete rebuild of the original 1960s facility, a worthy investment in our students, families, staff, and community. Over the past several years, we have watched those plans become a reality, even as teaching and learning continued right here on this campus. Now, as we prepare to welcome students into a modern school designed to serve as many as 750 children, we have the opportunity to honor everything that made the original Longan special while creating new traditions and possibilities for generations to come. As exciting as this new building is, we know that a school is much more than its walls. It is the people, the relationships, the learning, and the sense of belonging created inside of them. I am excited about what lies ahead for our Lion community as we fill these new spaces with curiosity, creativity, joy, and opportunity. We are not simply opening a new building, we are carrying forward more than 6 decades of history while creating the next chapter of the R.C. Longan legacy. I'm deeply proud to be a part of this moment, and I cannot wait to see where this new building takes our students, families, staff, and community. So today, our school board and board of supervisors help us carry this vision for the future forward. Please welcome from our school board, representative for the Three Chop District, Chair Madison Irving. Representative for the Fairfield District, Vice Chair Ryan Young. Representing the Brooklyn District, Christy Kinsella. Representing the Tuckahoe District, Marcy Shea. And Alicia Atkins representing the Varina District. From our Board of Supervisors, Chair Roscoe Cooper III representing the Fairfield District. Misty Roundtree, Vice Chair and Three Chop District Representative, has she joined us today? From the Brooklyn District, Dan Schmidt. Jody Rogish from the Tuckahoe District. And representing the Varina District, Tyrone Nelson. As well as our Superintendent, Dr. Amy Cashwell. And County Manager John Fatokas. Thank you all for your dedication throughout this project. Today we celebrate where we have been, take pride in how far we have come, and look forward with great hope to all that our Longan Lions will accomplish in the years ahead. I will also like to take a moment of privilege to acknowledge the Longan family who has joined us today. We have Mr. R.C. Longan's grandchildren who are here with us, and their families. Thank you for being here. Now please join me in welcoming the school board representative for R.C. Longan Elementary and the Brooklyn District, Mrs. Christy Kinsella.
Good morning. The original Longan Elementary School opened in 1965 as a true neighborhood school here in Henrico's Brooklyn District. Named for longtime Board of Supervisor member Robert Cole Longan, the school, like Mr. Longan, is a legend here on Mapleview Avenue. We are delighted to have members of the family join us for today's celebration. I'd like to name each of you individually, and please forgive me if I leave anyone out. Please welcome the granddaughters, Jane Longan Caldwell and Barbara Longan Teague, his grandson, Bill Longan, and great-granddaughter, who is a former HCPS teacher, not just a former HCPS teacher, but one here at Longan Elementary, Lindsay Teague Blackwell. We're pleased you're here to witness this new chapter in this school's history and the ongoing lasting legacy tribute to Mr. Longan. Keeping with the tradition of honoring the past while growing the future, this historic oak tree, unfortunately, could not be saved. However, it will be crafted into benches placed throughout this campus. In addition to planting 189 new trees, repurposing the wood reflects our commitment to sustainability, the environment, and creating new spaces to connect with the Longan legacy. This school reflects the community's gratitude for Mr. Longan's 15 years of service on the Board of Supervisors and is representative actually of the existing bond today between the Board of Supervisors and the school board and the superintendent and the county manager. Construction of the new modern building was funded by the 22 bond referendum, resulting in a larger, two-story, state-of-the-art learning space. To use a term from the year the original school was built, isn't this groovy? On behalf of the Henrico County School Board, thank you so much for joining us today to celebrate this new school for our students, staff, and community. Now, please join me in welcoming the Henrico County Board of Supervisor representative for the Brooklyn District, Mr. Daniel Schmidt.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Before I offer a few official remarks, I do want to thank the superintendent and the county manager for being here with us today. I want to thank schools, really the schools department in general for this build, the work and the effort that's gone into the detail of this. So I want to thank Susan, I'm sure she's here somewhere, and the team for the effort here. I also want to make note that the entire school board is here today, and I have Mr. Nelson, Mr. Rogish, and our chair, Mr. Cooper. Mrs. Roundtree obviously gives her sense of regrets getting out of court to make these 9:30s are tough for her. So I want to thank everybody for coming today, and I want to thank all of you for taking time out of your morning. In 2018, I was walking these streets, and I knew something in this neighborhood was a little bit different. The folks who had lived here, when I met them on their doorsteps, talked about living here for decades, raising their families, and had small children raised in this community. I also met families with small children who had just moved here recently, and I realized that this neighborhood was reinventing itself right here in front of my eyes. And it was true that here there was a neighborhood school tucked away where you had to know it's here. Most folks do not pass this school on a daily basis if they're driving down West End Drive. And it was exactly like the elementary school that now more than 40 plus years ago, let's not print that, there's media here, but 40 plus years ago, it was just like the elementary school that I had walked to in my neighborhood community when I was a child, not on the main roads, tucked away back in the neighborhood. And I heard the same thing on those doorsteps about the love of the neighborhood, the love of the community, and the rich, prideful history that those who truly made this community had for this neighborhood. Well, I made a promise on those doorsteps, hoping and praying one day I could deliver on that in those summer days. And to stay present here, it was one of my promises, stay present in the neighborhood, to work on restoring the neighborhood community center right across West End Drive. And I had hoped to recapture and reignite what this school meant to this community and make it a desirable place to continue to want to raise a family, and literally that people had done for half a century or more. Well, it's certainly humbling for all of us to be here today, and I'm full of hope when I see this new, beautiful elementary school, a resource, an opportunity launching pad for the young men and women that will occupy it here next week and for the next half century. We certainly know the history of this. Ms. Kinsella just mentioned it originally opened in 1965. For 61 years, this building has served as that opportunity launching pad for so many. Certainly super cool to hear that you had taught here in this building. And to the family of Mr. Longan, as you know, the son of a shoe merchant, served on the Board of Supervisors for 15 years, served as chair for 5 years, done so much here for this community, this neighborhood, and certainly well-deserved to have his name continue to be on this building. This school saw the Henrico County Public Schools Teacher of the Year in 1992, and I remain fully convinced that this school will produce another Teacher of the Year for our community. To the teacher, staff, and students, go be great here. Leave your mark on the history of this new building. and this new school. And to the parents and families, thank you. As Ms. Kinsella said, thank you for your trust in us to deliver, but thank you for your overwhelming support of the referendum, where you spoke very loudly, you spoke with volume, and you spoke with conviction about what your vision for this neighborhood should be. So thank you all very much. Appreciate your time being here today, and congratulations on the new amenity. Thank you. I'm going to walk off, but I usually like to hand it to someone. Who should I hand it to, Miss Cashwell? Who's next? Did we just cut a ribbon now? That's all yours. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Schmidt, for your remarks. As I look at this phenomenal new school building, one word comes to mind, and that is opportunity. This is a learning space filled with opportunities for students to participate in creative and collaborative lessons in classrooms and common areas that are designed specifically for life-ready learning. That aligns perfectly with the Longan Elementary School motto of build, create, and connect. This school is more than brick and mortar. It is a community, a haven, an opportunity for students to build relationships. We haven't just created a place of instruction, but a place for genuine connection. With the original and new buildings standing side by side, you can literally see how far we have come over the last 61 years. And more change is on the way as the old building is cleared to make way for a new playground, a track, and outdoor areas. I want to thank all who had a part in this project, particularly Susan Moore and her team, Mosley Architects and Lockridge Construction, and of course, our teachers, our families, our neighbors. You all had a voice in what this school would look like and how it would be used to serve our students. To our principal, Dr. Nicole Henderson, you have my lasting thanks and gratitude. Leading a school community during a massive on-site construction project is not an easy thing to do. But you continue to do it with grace, and now we can see that it has been worth every challenge. With expanded student capacity and modern features such as extended learning areas, a sensory room, and a STEAM lab, RC Longan Elementary School is poised for another successful 61 years. In fact, that incredible future starts right now. We invite guests to walk with us to the main entrance of the new building to celebrate with Dr. Henderson and elected officials for a ceremonial ribbon cutting. And following that, we will all be treated to tours of the new space, which will be led by some of our Longan students. Thank you again for joining us today, and let's go.